Well, kidman in mobile chwalo kede Makome bus mati ki registration number UA Hara 339 hem ma tika Kampala no Chera Gulu City no accident yo ma ti around Katuli Kire Iboyale Kiryandongo district. Tawamo mak reporting be repair and down on Roma Beach kuno injury passengers a beach ma go wane dong police me Kiryandongo police station in Albertine region me report ki press release kun gi chwalo nyingjo ma guno one the time me some description of so far again maging about one nature of accident keroni single serious accident is a technical thing both police at amigi then kaichi now gucho ni ndwe in the part midway me Rio 2024 place of OCC Kisona village Kichom Bogingo along Kampala Gulo Highway in Kiryandongo district. MV involved. MV regional registration number UAR 339M Kirman Nendonga Isuzu bus gray in color belonging to Makome Bus Company. Driver at large. Now these are the names of the victims. Ma Guno and Wanoni. Namachel Sally Robert, 26 years old, Arao Kisasi Kampala, Aikunu, Uchian Bosco, Matimwa Pierngwen Wengwen, Mayan Noti, Bas Tanman, Kidong Uma Paul, Matimwa Pierre de Wichel, Uberechuli, Maaki Kanyagoga, Gulu City, Watieki Danamanye, Adoti Stella, Mabeno Berechuli, Aki Wembley Barracks, Chireka, when you are children around only Kireka. Then there is also Opio Bernard, who is 21 years old, of Peje. Peje is in Gulu City, for those who don't know. Then Akulu Margaret of 49 years old, who hails also from is Acholi of South Sudan, from Magui County in Pajok, but she was also staying in Gulu City. Then Lanier Jacqueline of 36 years old from Badege also was involved in the accident. Then Ubira Haron, who is 21 years old, Ubero Musoga student, Aki Bulinga Wakisu. Then there is Kasana Rashida, who is 38 years old from Gulu. Then another person is a child Stella, 36 years old. Is Anacholi. Izaruku Simondo is 28 years old. And Lawao Alex, still detail, no detail known. Achai Beatrice, 53 years old, no detail known. And then Iriye David, 45 years old, no record known. Robinson Namuwanja, 33 years old, from Chireka. Now, the public are advised to try to locate the relatives, so if you know this person, so that they get whatever help or assistance that they want. Now, the brief fact, you need to know brief fact about this incident. It's alleged that the driver of MV registration number that we had said about Makome bus coming from Kampala heading to Gulu City lost control. The driver lost control. That's what is alleged. At the police station is a report from the police. The driver lost control and overturned, injuring some passengers on board. The police action. Scene visited by ASP Rugwiza Joshua, DTO Kiryandongo, and a team of both police officers and medics with ambulances from Kiryandongo Hospital. Kiryandongo Hospital has provided ambulance. And victim rushed to Kiryandongo Hospital for treatment. Stretch plan drafted. The bus still at the scene, pending every breakdown to be towed to the station for inspection. So the bus is still at the station, but it will be taken to the station. So inquiries, lastly, inquiries are already ongoing. Thank you very much. Those are the list. Make sure that if one of the relatives or one of the persons mentioned, make sure that they get the required assistance. We wish those who are nursing their wounds, those who are injured, like rumors coming about man CJ, who we don't know his real official name, only the stage name, is also alleged to be a victim. Man CJ, the hit maker of appeal, is said to be admitted in the hospital. We say quick recovery to all of them. Thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed, please do so that you meet me in the next video. Bye.